As we age, muscle naturally declines. Many older adults who are inactive lose a few percent of muscle mass each year and several pounds each decade, unless they do resistance training. But what if 4 simple foods could help slow or even prevent much of that age-related loss? In this video, you'll discover 4 foods that support muscle strength and 4 to avoid, plus simple exercises you can do at home. By the end, you'll know easy swaps, how much protein to aim for at each meal, and 2 resistance moves to try this week. Some of these surprising changes start with what you drink each day. Picture this. You pour a tall glass of orange juice first thing in the morning, expecting a healthy start. The label says 100% juice. It tastes fresh, and it feels like you're doing something good for your body. But research shows that sweet drinks like juice, soda, sweetened teas, and sports beverages are linked to blood sugar swings and other changes that, over time, are associated with weaker muscles and a higher risk of frailty. The same goes for many energy drinks or flavored waters that promise a boost but often deliver a load of added sugar instead. Most people think the main problem with these drinks is weight gain, but in older adults, the concern also involves muscle recovery. Frequent sugar spikes can make your body less responsive to insulin and promote low-grade inflammation, 2 changes linked with reduced muscle repair and strength. Many studies find higher sugary drink intake is associated with weaker grip strength or higher frailty risk. When this happens, even daily activities like walking, gardening, or light workouts become less effective for maintaining your muscle over time. Inflammation might sound minor, but in the context of muscle, it works like background interference, blurring the signal your body uses to rebuild. Without clear signals and efficient repair, small deficits in strength accumulate. Over the years, that can mean finding it harder to lift groceries, climb stairs, or get up from a chair without strain. Because these effects develop gradually, a daily soda, healthy bottled juice, or sweetened coffee can quietly contribute more than you realize. Researchers have found consistent patterns. People who drink more sugar-sweetened beverages often show lower muscle strength and face a noticeably higher risk of frailty in later life. Frailty, in simple terms, isn't just feeling tired. It's a measurable drop in your capacity to do normal physical tasks. Think of each blood sugar spike from a sweet drink like a small wave eroding the base of a sandcastle. One wave doesn't change much, but wave after wave slowly undermines the structure until it's unstable. Let's take an everyday example. A man in his late 60s had an almost ritual afternoon soda for years. It was his pick-me-up before tackling household chores. Gradually, he noticed his energy fading earlier in the day and his grip on tools weakening. On his doctor's advice, he swapped that soda for a smoothie made from Greek yogurt, berries, and a small handful of oats. Within weeks, his evening stamina improved, and physical therapy tests showed better grip strength. The key wasn't just cutting calories, it was steady blood sugar and adding high-quality protein that directly supported muscle repair. You don't need anything complicated to make a similar change. Blend half a cup of Greek yogurt with a cup of unsweetened frozen fruit and add a few spoonfuls of nut butter. This quick mix delivers about 20 to 25 grams of protein, comfortably within the expert-recommended 15 to 30 grams per meal older adults should aim for to stimulate muscle protein synthesis. That's enough to help keep your muscles adapting and recovering throughout the day. Instead of the crash that comes after a sweet drink, you give your body a steady energy flow and the building blocks it needs to maintain strength. If you're swapping from sugary drinks, focus on simple wins. Unsweetened tea, water with lemon, or a quick protein smoothie can replace the habit without leaving you feeling deprived. What matters most is making the choice that supports your strength rather than quietly eroding it. Later, I'll show you the 2-minute resistance move that makes that protein count even more. But first, there's another strength-stealing culprit to address, one that's probably sitting in your pantry right now. These foods can be just as damaging to muscle maintenance as sugary drinks, even though they're marketed for convenience and quick meals. Sometimes the most convenient choices on the shelf come with trade-offs you don't see right away. Ultra-processed foods, things like packaged snacks, frozen entrees, and ready-to-eat meals, are linked in research with patterns that may weaken muscle and raise frailty risk over time. They tend to replace nutrient-dense options with products high in refined starches, added sugars, salt, and preservatives, while providing protein that is often low in quality. Over years, those substitutions, along with the inflammation these products can promote, are associated with slower muscle repair and a greater chance of decline in strength. UPFs go beyond basic cooking or minimal packaging. They're industrially formulated with additives for flavor, texture, and shelf life. And they typically offer calories without the range of vitamins, minerals, and complete proteins your muscles depend on. A recent pooled analysis found that each extra 100 grams of UPFs per day, roughly the size of a small snack bar, was associated with about a 3% higher risk of frailty. This is an observational link, not proof of direct cause, but it suggests even small daily increases could matter over time. The challenge isn't only what these foods contain, but also what they don't. Without enough high-quality protein supplying all the essential amino acids, your body's repair system works less efficiently. And when high sodium and certain additives drive low-grade inflammation, the signals telling muscles to rebuild after activity can get dulled. That's like having workers ready on a job site with no clear instructions about where to start. Margaret, a retired bookkeeper in her 70s, saw this firsthand. She relied on frozen meals most nights. They seemed balanced enough, with a small portion of vegetables and some protein. But much of that protein came from processed meat or cheese, and the amount fell well short of what her muscles needed. After her doctor noted her strength was slipping, she began preparing a quick egg and vegetable scramble instead. It took 10 minutes, and by rotating mushrooms, spinach, or tomatoes, she kept it interesting. In just a few months, paired with regular walks, her grip strength improved and stairs felt less exhausting. The difference came from adding complete high-quality protein in the right amount. Eggs, skinless poultry, fish like tuna, Greek yogurt, soy, and similar options deliver all the essential amino acids in forms your body can use effectively. A good practical goal is to get about 20 to 30 grams of protein per meal. That's roughly the amount in 3 large eggs, a cup of Greek yogurt, or a 3-ounce chicken breast about the size of a deck of cards. For those who find chewing challenging, soft options like cottage cheese, canned fish, or tofu can easily meet these needs without strain. Replacing even one UPF-based meal a day with a fresh protein and vegetable combination can help you avoid excess sodium, added sugar, and preservatives while supplying the building blocks muscles need. Examples include a chicken and vegetable stir-fry cooked in olive oil, tuna salad with whole grain crackers, or that simple egg scramble. Add some healthy fats and fiber-rich vegetables, and you're supporting not just muscle, but your overall energy and recovery. Making these swaps doesn't require overhauling your entire diet in one step. The key is consistency with at least one better choice each day. Over time, these steady inputs work in your favor, helping your body repair, maintain, and adapt so that you stay stronger for longer. And that's the real takeaway. The daily decisions you make about what you eat and drink can either slow your progress or steadily push you forward. Choices like these don't demand drastic diets or all-or-nothing rules. They simply replace what holds you back with what helps you thrive. Protecting your muscle strength comes down to replacing the everyday foods that work against you with ones that actively support your body. Start small and build from there. Try 2 resistance sessions per week, aim for 1 to 3 sets of 6 to 12 reps at a hard but safe effort, and include 15 to 30 grams of protein at each meal. Research shows this combination produces the greatest gains in muscle mass and strength for older adults. Here's your 7-day challenge. Do sit-to-stands and wall push-ups twice this week, and swap 1 sugary drink for a 20 to 25 gram protein snack. If you found this useful, hit like and subscribe for more practical senior health tips. And if you have medical conditions or take medications, check with your healthcare provider before changing your diet or exercise. Small, steady changes protect the one thing that keeps you independent: your strength.